Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Programming with Arshad. In this video, I am going to show you how to use tkinter module in Python. Tkinter is an amazing module which is used to create graphical user interface applications in Python. Okay, I am opening my Visual Studio Code. I have created a Python file named as tkinter tutorial. Okay, let's see how to use tkinter and how to create graphical user interface applications. In this video, we will learn how to create labels and buttons in tkinter. First of all, to use tkinter, I am going to import tkinter module. For this, I am writing from tkinter import star. This line of code will import everything from tkinter. You no need to install tkinter module because it's already present with Python installation. First of all, I am going to create a window. It will inherit all the properties of tk class. After creating a window, we must close that window by using window dot main loop function. With this, a simple window will be created. I am going to add a size to that window by using window dot geometry function. I am giving a size of 450 into 400 pixels. You must use the same syntax as 450 x 400 without any gaps. If you use any gaps, it will throw some errors. Now let's see how this program works. I am going to run this program. Okay, it simply opens a window named as tk. Okay, we will change this title also. For that, we will use window dot title. In this title, I am giving GUI tutorial. Now let's see how this program looks. Okay, the title came here as GUI tutorial. Now we will add some text to this window by using label function. For using label function, simply type label and by default it will take a parameter of window, and I am giving text as hello Python programmers. After creating this label, actually you have to store this label inside a variable. I am using a label variable itself, a variable label label. After creating this, you must pack this label using pack method. Label dot pack. Now let's see how this program works. You can see the text appears here as hello Python programmers. Now I am going to change its background color using bg parameter. I am giving a red color background, and I am also changing its font style by using font parameter. Actually it will take a tuple parameters. I am giving font as Times New Roman, and I am giving it's a size of 25. Now let's see how this program works. You can see here we got red background color and font style and size also changed. Now we have now we will see how to create buttons. For that, same as label, we need to use button function. I am using a button variable and I am storing this button function in this. It will also by default takes a parameter of window, and I am giving text. I am giving this button a text of click on me. Now let's see how this button works. Before, you should not forget to pack this button. For that, I am using button.pack function. Now let's see how this look like. You can see here a small button appears on it. It's not performing anything by clicking on it. Now we will give a command for this button. named perform. Now I am going to create a perform named function here. For creating a function in Python, we'll use def keyword. Def perform. This function will simply print hello programmers on my console. For that I am using print keyword. Print hello programmers. Now let's rerun this program and see how this works. You can see that it is printing as hello programmers on my console. If I click on it, click on this button. Okay guys, in this video we have seen how to use and how to perform basic operations with tkinter. First of all I am importing tkinter module, and then I am creating a window for that, and I am giving geometry of 450 into 400 pixels, and I am changing the title as GUI tutorial. And for adding simple text I am using label function, and after using label function I am just packing that label variable. Inside that label function I am using text parameter which will show hello Python programmers, and I am changing background color as red, and I am using font of Times New Roman with size 25 pixels. After that I am creating a button function. This will take by default window parameter, and I am giving it a text of click on me, and it will perform a command named as perform. If anyone clicks on this button, it will perform a simple command which is perform. I am creating a function as perform. Inside this perform I am simply giving a print statement as hello programmers. If after that I am packing this button, and I am also packing this window with windows.mainLoop function. And finally I am running this program once again. It looks somewhat like this. That's all guys. That's all in this video guys. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.